Hey Russell fam, in today's video I am going to show you some awesome things that we did while we were on vacation. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and I am a homeschooling mom of two, and I have been homeschooling since 2012. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. Please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. Here on this channel, we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There, I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. Make sure to check that out and also to sign up for our email list, because I always send out some awesome deals that I get from a lot of my affiliates. And I also let you know every time we upload a new blog post. So make sure to check that out. And if you are returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Okay, in today's video, you're going to see some fun things that we did as a family while we were on vacation. First of all, we are a huge Andy Griffith fan. We love watching Andy Griffith. And we were just going through the wharf in Orange Beach and we saw the car. Check out the picture. The car was amazing. And then we saw a note on there to say that said to go upstairs to check out more. And here are some of the pictures from that. We found Aunt Bee's pearls, the china that she used, the glove that Andy used with Opie to throw the ball, the dominoes that him and Barney used in the show. There was so much interesting stuff. Mike and I were in awe, and the kids loved it too. So that was a great part of the vacation, and that didn't cost a thing. It was just fun to see. So there we go. If you are in Orange Beach, check that out because it is so amazing. Second, we went to OA, the theme park there in Orange Beach. Bailey has been wanting to go for years, and so we finally had the time to do it. And I've got some awesome pictures and videos, so let's check that out. And they had the Christmas lights up, and I love Christmas lights. So I had to take some pictures of some of the cute things. So check those out here. The next fun thing that we did is Mike and Bailey always take a boys fishing trip. Well, this time Becca and I jumped on the boat as well, and we caught 21 sheephead. Check out this picture. And I got some great video of Bailey catching a fish. And here's a video of Becca catching a fish, which I had to stop filming in the middle because I started catching a fish. So that was crazy. We were catching fish like crazy. And then one time, Mike and Bailey, it was so funny. Right at the end, our last catch, Mike was on this side of the boat, Bailey was on this side of the boat, and Mike got a bite, and the fish went under the boat. It got tangled up on Bailey's line, and so Mike and Bailey are sitting there fighting with each other. I couldn't get video of it. It was just hilarious to see. So we got it in, and come to find out, it was Mike's fish that was on the line, and Bailey was wrapped up with Mike. So that was funny. So if you are in Orange Beach, book a fishing trip. We use Buddy Powers. We have used him for years. We also have used him for Blue Dolphin Cruise, which I will leave a link up here to that video. But due to Sally taking out most of the marinas around, there's not many dolphin cruises going on, but we were able to go on this fishing trip. So check him out. I'll leave a link down in the description box to him. But I have to say, the vacation was fun. It was exciting. It was just fun to get away and take a break, get out of our house, and just spend some fun family time together. And yes, COVID is around. We were super safe. We did social distancing. At the theme park, they are doing 50% capacity, hand sanitizer everywhere. So if you are in Orange Beach, feel safe that you can go to OA. People are wearing masks. They're wiping every ride down when you get done. So I just wanted to let you know that they are open and they are being very safe. I hope you enjoyed watching these highlights from our vacation. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.